I want to talk about a topic that has been driving me crazy lately, and that is this. So if you're an agent, you know what agent remarks are in the MLS, the multiple listing service. But sellers don't get to see these comments, neither do buyers unless you share it with them. Here's what I'm seeing in some of these MLS listings, and I'm telling you this, agents and sellers, for this reason. So I'm seeing some agents say, yeah, if you're an agent and you want to call for information about the house, I'm not returning your call. I'm not going to submit your offer unless it's written up in this exact way. What else? One of them was creative and said, if you buy me a certain meal, I might take a look at your offer or answer your call. Here's the thing. Agents can get creative, and I have no problem with that. I'm creative myself, but I'm also disclosing to my sellers everything that I'm putting in the MLS. And if you're an agent and you're putting some of these creative ideas on the MLS under agent comments and you've not disclosed this and discussed it with the seller, you are out of integrity. You are not doing your job. And Mr. and Mrs. Seller, when you are hiring an agent, ask them about their business practices. Ask them if they return calls from other agents. Ask them if they respond to other agents through email. It is, to me, a mortal sin not to get back to other people in this industry, because we are here to serve our buyers and sellers, and the best way to do that is to fully communicate with anybody asking about your property. So make sure that your agent is communicating with fellow agents as well as buyers and sellers, because Mr. and Mrs. Seller, you're being represented and you may not be getting all of the facts and you might not be getting all of your offers. That would be a mortal sin in this business, in my opinion. So, and I think in the opinion of the Real Estate Commission and Nexus and board rules, I mean, this is just standard practice to get back to your fellow agent. So ask those questions, guys. It's really important when you're hiring an agent to find out what their business practices are. Okay? I'm Nancy Kowalik, your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Nancy Kowalik Group. Go make it a great day.